Good morning, guys. We're here at Home Goods, Home Goods and Marshall, and they're not open until 9. We're gonna go back to the car. Thank you. You can't. You didn't. Oh, it's still not open. Okay. Yeah. So, I don't know. They're not open yet. What time is it? Oh, it's almost. We're waiting. They're open finally. Finally. Oh, I like this Thomas. Ice bucket challenge. I like it.
You put ice in this and dump it over
to your head. That's a nice gift set. Bill, sir, Bill. Try to sit down, Thomas. Be careful when you sit down. Oh, it's not really that comfortable, no? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it just needs to be like planted down.
We need a bigger one.
Bigger than that? I don't think so.
This one is real good?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It's crappy looking.
Which?
And look.
I like this for our bedroom.
Yes?
Han, this white stuff over there. That one. Can you take one? I like it. Can we get that? For the flower, huh?
The flowers?
Yeah.
Too deep?
That's fine. Tommy is looking for a pancake.
He likes this because it's $2.49.
Yeah, he's looking for a pancake thing. Omelette thing. I'm getting this, guys. I like the smell of it. It's the Edge whiskey and all.
Still has their pumpkin now.
Oh, really?
From Halloween.
That's weird.
I thought it would have been.
Because they didn't have time to make pumpkin pies yet.
So we get out from Home Goods, guys, and we went there because it's red light. We went there for pot, flower pot, but they don't have it.
Flower marijuana. We went there for pot.
But they don't have it. So Thomas is laughing at me like I'm gonna squish his face. So they don't have it. Hi guys, we're home a while ago and it's already 11:15 and we're all hungry. And Thomas too is hungry. and he's having a mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Just boiled it and mix this cheese with it. It's very easy. And me, I'm having my rice and chicken. Oh, be careful because okay, that's good already. That's it.
Is it boiled?
Not almost. Almost.
Then once it's boiled, I'm gonna empty that in.
Yeah, we're just gonna empty it and put it.
Get the tail.
So we're gonna go later when my sister-in-laws get here. I like Andrea. I like my sister-in-law anyway. But guys, I will see you later. Bye, Thomas.
Bye.
I will see you later because Thomas wants to go with us, but obviously he can't because he has his call tomorrow. But if he doesn't have his call, probably he can go with us if he eat like rice. He eat rice. He eats some
Chicken.
He eat chicken. You have chicken. You eat pork. Pork.
Yeah.
He eat pork. And so probably he can, but you know what? He has his call. And it's snowing upstate too.
That's the only reason I want to go.
Yeah, that's why. It's snowing up there. I don't
Oh,
understand why it
Justin.
doesn't. Be careful. I don't
Snow.
understand why it's not snowing here. The news it says it snowed midnight last night, but it doesn't. I'm here in the grocery Asian market, Asian store, guys. So kuha tayo ng that too. And what else I'm planning to get, guys? Let's see. Didn't have. Okay, I guess this is it. I'm gonna get some vegetables and vegetables right here. Baby. Oh, you're a good girl. You drill really small amount. Outback? That's the one over there. The black one. It's nice. That's the only thing that the Legacy and the Outback I like in Subaru. Roxy, Daddy is just getting gas. Rox? Roxy, the two of you are shaking. Rocky Rock. I don't say Roxy drooling like she used to. She doesn't drool like she used to, guys. But she is shaking. Look at her legs. Look at her legs. Are you happy, baby? Are you happy now? Nothing is gonna poke your butt. Okay, Misty. Yes, baby. Yes. I defrost some steak for dinner. I'm going to cook rice also. Rice in string beans, giant string beans, yung batong palitaw. Yun ang lulutuin ko, guys. The candle I'm gonna use tonight. And this container, which is really pink. It's so weird, my husband get pink. Ah, that's why the lady watched my husband carry this. She's staring at him. Where's the big one?
It'll be there.
No. Hi guys, I'm just editing the video to upload today because it's already late. It's 5:16 already. And look at my husband. Go ahead, Roxy, go on top, on top. Are they anyway on top? No. Look. Tommy is very strict when it comes to his rug. Roxy doesn't want anything. He doesn't want Roxy eat on top of the rug.
It's not running, but at least should make it to the holiday.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
Roxy, you're not going up to the second floor. Good girl. Now it's time to make some veggies. What I'm gonna feed my husband is this giant string beans. And I lit, oh my god, it smells so good, guys. This candle, it smells so good. I have to take this off. Yeah, I can't take it off. So I guess just leave it like that. And it's whiskey and its fragrance and oak. I have the tripod with me now. So sleepy. No, I need a bigger one. Right here? Why you put it here? Put it right here. I just put it all. This one is no meat, guys. No meat. It's just vegetables and that's it. This is what we're going to have for dinner. I'm gonna do this outside, even though it's freezing cold. Tom is just watching the show. Bones, his favorite show. One of his favorite. It smells so good right now. Hi guys, I'm just going to insert this special shout out. So I'm gonna do a special shout out to my friend Imafi Rice. Her old channel, the name was Pinky Rice Girl, and her husband Chris also. Thank you, Imafi. Shout out to you, sis. And thank you also for watching my vlog and also leaving a comment on my video. And I'm so happy that you guys, came back to YouTube, because you left for, I think, like what you said 2 years ago. But I'm so sad when you guys left on YouTube. Oh my god, I'm thinking, oh, what's going on? What's wrong? There's something going on. And all the old video that you guys have, I can't see them anymore. So are the reason why, Imafi, that I start vlogging, not really vlogging, posted video on YouTube, and then I started like, okay, I'm done, gonna do a vlog like what you did. You is the reason why I did vlogging, and also it's Judy's time and few Filipino vlogger. Yeah, but you are the #1 that I really saw that, vlog. The first, of course, it's Judy time. It's Judy time. The first video that I saw, it's Judy time, that was when she's showing her armpits. that why her armpits is white. She do lemon like that, and Benji is in the background, and you know, that's how the first time I saw It's Judy's Time. The first time I saw your channel with you and Chris, I think with Cheng at the time. And yeah, so she Imafi is walking in somewhere, and they're close to the water, I think. But that's how I remember. It's Imafi is walking and vlogging Chris and like that, and Ching is with you guys. And there is another woman with Ching, with you guys. Thank you, sis, for inspiring us. Thank you for inspiring me for vlogging, and I'm so happy that you guys came back. Bye guys, thank you, bye. Continue to the video. Bye bye. I'm gonna get some steak seasoning. One of our favorite. The vegetables, it smells so good, plus the candle smells so good. Like, mix the smell right now. Smells perfect. I'm going to do grilling over here, guys. There you go. Yeah, we're gonna do barbecue here. Where you guys going? Huh? It's freezing out here. It's freezing. This is the second time. Pangalawang bisis na to, guys, ginamit namin. I hope the steak will cook. The wind is crazy. Hi guys, I am back. Insert shout out again for my friend on YouTube. Hi Miss Jorkan. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to you and to your family. You said you're from Iligan. Hi taga Iligan, mga Bisaya to her family from Iligan. Hi family of Miss Jorkan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hi. Bye. Thank you Miss Jorkan for leaving a nice message. Bye. This is the result of my veggies. Vegetables, sibol. Ginisang batong. This dog just keep want to go out. Okay. So here's the steak, guys. It's very windy though. It's not really cooked. It's freezing. Kung nandito kayo guys, napipil nyo yung ginaw talaga sa labas. Yung steak, instead of cooking, it's get frozen. Oh, the neighbor, there's a lot of lights now. Look. Look, the light over here like this. Look, ganyan. Simple lang guys. Simple. Simple lang. So this is our dinner guys. Look at my dinner. This is my plate right here. Yes, there's a lot of vegetables, and this is the steak. Yeah. So it's yummers. I don't know what you're doing. Now I'm going to wash my face and brush my teeth. Yeah, the TV is very loud. Tammy put the TV very loud. I always carry this with me guys. This thing, so that my face, it won't be. Oh, did I show you this? This is the one we're gonna put it here. Who told you to come up here? Who told you to come up here? For you, you have your own blanket. This is for Dada. Covered up tape. So nice. Here's your blanket. Here, that's where you belong. So I guess we're gonna go lie down guys, because my left knee is hurting me every time it's get cold, very cold. My knee is attacking me. It's really hurt. Tommy is not talking to me guys. It's just annoying when you're with him and he's the kind like ignore me.
You follow the camera.
What are you looking at my hair for? Not head. But he is like pain guys. He really is like. have scotch too. Scotch and coffee. It's not a good combination, huh?
Great combination.
Are you gonna sleep with her? Look at your daughter, huh?
Look what you did for her.
Roxy! Oh. Okay, we have to close this door now because it's cold.
Oh, you mean maybe if we get told by rats to run, why maybe they'd run back into one another.
Okay, guys. We're gonna lie down and relax, and I'm gonna change. I'll go change pajamas. So we're gonna end this vlog now, guys, because I'm still gonna edit some stuff. Yeah. So look at that. Tammy is supposedly lying down there, but Roxy went in there. So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna edit the video and we're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye. Good night. That's what happens when daddies always get turkey. The turkey faces is around him.